Can ICP 100x? That's the question we've been trying to answer on this channel. We dive into early stage undiscovered assets that are just getting started in a megatrend that provide breakthrough revolutionary technology, and ICP definitely fits the bill, right? We've been diving into the fundamentals. Here's just one look at what is going on this world computer, right? Daily active channels on OpenChat are up over 3x year over year. So OpenChat is a social network messaging application that runs on top of ICP. Again, ICP is a world computer. For the first time, because of cryptography, we can own a stake in one of the most powerful supercomputers on the planet, right? Just by owning the ICP token, which gives you a voting stake over this massive ecosystem, right? This is revolutionary breakthrough technology. It's a distributed supercomputer, and we get a voting stake in it, right? By owning the token. And what makes it special, unlike other supercomputers, is that it's attached to a tamper-proof blockchain, right? No one can hack it. Just like you can't hack Ethereum or Bitcoin, you can't hack ICP. But it's also a supercomputer. So it's unlike any other technology that exists on the planet. OpenChat is one social network and messaging application that runs on top of it, and the fundamentals are skyrocketing, right? Over 3x active channel count, currently like 300 active channels, and that's in the depths of the crypto winter. What happens as the adoption of this world computer continues? Well, here's an update on what is going on with this world computer. If you want to know more about this asset, check out my other ICP videos. But for now, here's a breakthrough update from Dominic, the head of the DFINITY Foundation, which is building out this world computer. Self-writing sovereign web applications and internet services that owners can update in real time by talking. The internet computer has been designed for this, and work has been ongoing for years. So just think about that, right? We're talking super far out. Self-writing sovereign web applications and internet services that owners can update in real time just by talking, right? So imagine saying, I want an app that's going to manage all my customers' information, and I want it to do X, Y, and Z. You can speak that software into existence. That's what an AI agent is, right? It's software that works for you. That's what ICP is working on. Imagine a world computer that has software AI agents working for you. Alien technology, that's what we're talking about. Today, I'm talking about a very different challenge that ICP shall help the world meet, where running web applications and internet services are created and updated simply by talking. Today, creating things on the internet is complex, time-consuming, and costly, and this stops us building what we want. The world is waiting to break free from this. In the future, we will just talk to AI to create an update, which will result in an almost limitless number of new custom web applications and services being created for every purpose imaginable. So what ICP provides is the ability to create web applications without big tech, right? On this decentralized world computer. Now they're talking about being able to do all that on a world computer using AI, right? So they're really trying to compete with big tech. They see the future. They understand what big tech is working on. And the only way to truly be decentralized is to be right there with them on the cutting edge, creating this breakthrough technology. Now, what's different about building on ICP versus big tech? People who create custom applications and internet services will own the software that makes them, even though they don't write it themselves, right? Decentralized ownership of software, that's what blockchain enables, and own the data inside them, which contrasts the popular software as a service services businesses use, which hold customer data hostage, and even consumer services like Google Photos, which make it impossible to get media out. These custom applications and services will be truly sovereign, and the owners won't be captive customers, which has long been an aim of the internet computer network, right? This is bringing power back to people, ownership of their digital data. ICP does it better than any other project because they have the technology that enables it, right? Most other projects are slow blockchains. They can't do that much, right? ICP enables this revolutionary technology. It's unlike any other Web3 asset. Now, apart from the fact that the world computer is attached to a tamper-proof blockchain, why would someone choose to use ICP instead of big tech, which of course doesn't have a blockchain attached to it? Meaning it's vulnerable to hacks, right? Well, the various steps and requirements involved in traditional IT can go wrong in multitudinous ways. The AI's build sequence will break like it does for humans, and it will have to make judgments about how to address them within an unconstrained problem space, which will subtly impact things like security, which is a serious problem because traditional IT is insecure by default, and even small mistakes can result in disaster. Everything the AI does would have to be manually reviewed. So if you're letting AI create software, it has to be incredibly secure. That's where the revolution of the blockchain comes in. That's what big tech doesn't provide. In the new paradigm, the users would want to update their running web applications and internet services in real time, simply by telling the AI about the improvements, extensions, and fixes they want. The systems created will need to undergo substantial upgrades every few minutes, right? Traditional IT has not been designed to make this possible. With ICP, there is no need to configure a cloud account, a database, a web server, cybersecurity. The code is automatically secure and immune to cyber attack. So there's no need to worry that a hallucination will leave a door open for hackers. No need to worry about a hallucination, right? So ICP fixes the security problem around artificial intelligence. It literally constrains artificial intelligence. And so they're implementing something called enhanced orthogonal persistence, EOP. During upgrades in the new paradigm, EOP does the following. It adds type safety to the upgrade, ensuring that if the AI has made a mistake that might cause data loss by hallucination or otherwise, the upgrade will fail, which greatly reduces the risks that would be ever present in traditional IT architectures. It allows data transformation to occur in a highly efficient manner, such that the paradigm can deliver real-time upgrades at the speed of talk, right? It doesn't get bigger than this. They're making this technology more efficient and more secure than big tech. If you think the incredible recent growth of compute on the internet computer is impressive, buckle up, because the paradigm may mean we haven't seen anything yet. Pure utility from advanced alien tech will win in the end. Right? So at the end of the day, they're creating world-changing breakthrough technology that's distributed and decentralized and actually able to compete with the big tech giants, right? People will own the data. That's a huge use case of using ICP. Again, breakthrough AI technology. That's what we're talking about. Someone asked, I have one question. When? Obviously, there's already something like what I described working, and we're racing towards making it sufficiently mature to launch, but it's already very cool. We're going to be talking a lot more about ICP and AI before launch, so expect more info soon. So we don't know exactly when this will roll out, but if they can do it well before big tech, then that is just so huge, right? They're competing with big tech, right? Big tech isn't doing this yet. The ability to just speak text to software. That's what ICP is working on. Obviously, still early, still risky, but that's what they're working on. Someone said, hopefully this gets out before other blockchain projects steal the thunder. From Near Protocol X page, Near is saying in 2017, Near AI set out with a vision to teach machines to code, so they're trying to do that as well. Dominic Williams says Near doesn't need to teach AI to code. It already can. That's just more token shilling. What's needed is platform tech that allows AI to build safely and effectively solo. So creation/updating is possible via chat. The necessary innovation is in the compute platform, not AI, right? And he's saying the ability to do the AI on a tamper-proof blockchain is what makes it revolutionary, right? Not creating the AI itself, just being able to put it on a world computer. Someone has said, Dom, please tell me where the demand is and why people use ICP. Have you done market research? Do you have data to support your point of view? We are focused on adding utility that drives more and more compute on the internet computer rather than BS token usage based on speculation, although compute consumes ICP. So they want people computing with the world computer. That's going to consume ICP, make it scarcer and scarcer, and cause upward pressure on the token price. Right, so very revolutionary early stage technology, unlike any other Web3 technology out there, unlike any big tech technology out there. Right? So they're really changing the game, still in the early stages, still risky, but in any crypto bull market, this asset can pump, right? Now, can it 100x? Absolutely, because 100x from here would be a $300 billion market cap, right? It's like a $3 billion market cap, $4 billion market cap. Can it hit $300 or $400 billion? Yes, right? First of all, crypto is undiscovered. So there's going to be massive liquidity and money pouring into this space. We've seen what happens when the money pours in from the outside, right? Every asset pumps. So this asset will pump just on that. It's going to do 10x just on that. What happens when people realize that it's creating real technology with projects like OpenChat 3xing their fundamentals and growth and other massive projects which we've covered building on top of it, like what the UN is doing, right? That's going to add another premium to it. So can it hit a $300 billion market cap? Absolutely, right? We saw Cardano hit a $135 billion market cap on air. This thing can hit a $300 billion market cap with booming fundamentals and revolutionary technology.